out here on New Melones. It's July 8th, 2022. We're in the middle of the river channel just above the Parrots Ferry bridge. We're definitely in a drought. We're losing about 1 foot of water every 2 to 3 days, and we expect it to go down quite a bit from now until about October 1st. But I hear a lot of people talking about seeing the old bridge. When are we going to see the old bridge, the old underwater bridge? Well, right now on our sonar, or on our chart, we're looking at the bridge. Here, I'm going to zoom in. This right there is the old Parrots Ferry bridge, the one that pops out when the lake gets low. So I'm going to scan over to our sonar, which is our depth. You can see we're in 100 foot of water right up there. The 79.5 is the temperature of the water. I'm going to slowly idle towards the bridge that we were looking at just a minute ago. And you're going to see this big orange blob pop up on the side over here. Right here, that's the Parrots Ferry bridge. We're coming up the side. It's probably right about here is where the handrail is going to be. Right now we're on top of it, smack dab on top. And it's 61 feet. Now we've gone down the back side of it, which is back down to 90 feet. So the top of the Parrots Ferry bridge, the old Parrots Ferry bridge, is at 60 feet. That means we have to lose all this water before we see it. So I thought I'd just share that with you guys. It's going to be a little bit, it's going to be a little while before we see it, if we ever do see it this year. Hopefully not, fingers crossed. We'll keep checking in on it, and I'll show you as the lake drops how close it's getting to the surface.